Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your microphone is not working on your Samsung Galaxy A3. The first thing you should try is to, of course, test your microphone if it is actually not working. Simply go into the recorder app, voice recorder app, give it permissions to record audio, because otherwise it won't be able to, and try testing out if it records audio. By seeing how those lines get bigger when I speak, you can notice that it does pick up audio. So in this case we know it does work. However, if it didn't work, the first thing you could try would be to clean your microphone. The microphone is supposed to be this little hole here, so it's not really that easy to try and clean it. But you could try using compressed air to try and blow in it, or using some sort of a non-metallic tool, or just make sure you don't damage it. Be careful with it. Another thing you could try would be to boot into safe mode, or well, first let's do another thing. In here it would be to go down here to software update to try and check first if maybe you don't have any updates that need to be done, because being out of date could also be the issue here. But as we see, we do not. So the next step would be to go into safe mode. To get into safe mode, power off your device, and once it's powered off, simply power it back on, but hold your volume down button. Just keep on holding it until the phone shows safe mode on the bottom left corner, or at least until it shows that it's booting up. Oh, right here. Once it is in safe mode, it will possibly rule out any third-party apps, being the interference here. If even this doesn't work and your phone still does not, if your microphone still doesn't work, you might have to send your phone to a service station to possibly even get a replacement. To exit safe mode, once you got in here, you of course only need to restart your phone like normal. If this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.